All right, let's talk about the weather now, Natasha, and look at the blizzard conditions up there in Mount Hood.
Truly, yeah, visibility is terrible, so it's no wonder that they had to shut down a portion of Highway 26 today, and that's ongoing. We'll let you know if that changes. But this is what it looks like at the base of Mount Hood Meadows. You can see, of course, the chairs have come to a stop here, so operations are, of course, halted for the day, considering all these conditions. Strong winds, low visibility, and more snow on the way. That winter storm warning continues for the Cascades through tomorrow evening, right around 6 o'clock. So we could see another foot of snow up there. Here's a contrast. This is Seaside. Notice how lovely it looks. It's 41 degrees. Not dealing with any rain here, but that doesn't mean it won't be raining at the coast. In fact, we are expecting more rain through tonight and also through tomorrow. A quick look at some of your highways there. That's Government Camp. See, Highway 26 looks like a ghost town. Sunset Highway, you can see the road itself is bare. Snow off to the sides. Willamette Pass, Santiam Pass, completely snow-packed with various restrictions out there. So we have all those listed on coin.com if you want to learn more. Here's your snow level forecast. So we're going to keep it below those mountain passes here, at least for the next 24 hours. A little dip as we get to Wednesday early in the morning. About that same time, we'll get a brief break in the precipitation. Not a complete dry out, but just a little bit of a break. We'll cool down a little bit more though, keeping that snow level right around about 1,500 feet. As soon as we get to this coming Thursday, so Thursday morning, we're expecting a lot of rain right here in the valley. That also means a surge in our temperatures. So Thursday and Friday, we're going to get closer to the 50s. That puts your snow level up closer to about 6,000 feet, but only briefly, coming right back down about 5,000 feet as we roll into Friday. So here's the last 3 hours. Notice those lightning strikes popping up just offshore from the coastline. We haven't seen anything like that right around Portland, but the coast, certainly a possibility of seeing some of those thunderstorms move onshore. Zooming in a little bit closer to where we're seeing that rainfall right around Portland, a bit of a break as you get north of Vancouver up past Ridgefield. Otherwise, we continue to see showers continue and that snow continuing as well. And in some of those heavier showers right around 1,000 feet, you might even notice snow actually coming down. Now, getting it to stick, you need to be closer to about 1,100, 1,200 feet, and that's exactly where we're seeing snow on the roadway. Let's look ahead to what we're expecting by the time we roll into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, more snow continues to fall right over the gorge there, over the Cascades. Snow levels, again, will hover between about 1,000 to 1,500 feet through early tomorrow morning. We're not expecting any snow to stick to the valley floor. You might see what looks like a little bit of a rain-snow mix early in the morning, but otherwise, again, no accumulations for the valley. We get to tomorrow evening, a little bit of a break happening for portions of the snake, but again, not a complete dry out. And then another surge of moisture coming through as soon as we get to Wednesday night. Along with that comes, yes, you guessed it, a lot more snow. And remember, Wednesday, we're still seeing those snow levels right around about 3,000 to 4,000 feet. So that puts it right over those mountain passes. And then things change as soon as we get to Thursday. Temperatures start to warm up under a southwesterly flow. We'll get a lot of rain in that short period of time. Yes, a lot of snow, but then that snow level going up above 6,000 feet at that point. Lasting through Friday, then Friday night, we'll start to see those snow levels come back down closer to our mountain passes. Let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. So temperature wise, yeah, a big change here. So tomorrow we're in the mid 40s. We're going to stay in the 40s until we get to Thursday. Thursday we're in the low 50s, Friday 49. And then, hey, checking out that weekend forecast. I'm, of course, crossing my fingers with everybody else that really models play out as true, and then we'll get some sunshine as soon as we get to the second part of the weekend.
Yeah, me too. You're only supposed to do one, right?
Thanks, Natasha. Yeah. Hey, coming up, we're getting ready for the return of the